Hello everyone, seeing the SIM is not provisioned for voice error on your Aldi mobile. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple fixes to get your SIM working again. Let's dive in. Aldi mobile SIM not provisioned for voice typically indicates that your SIM card has not been fully activated or configured to support voice services. To resolve this, ensure your device supports VoLTE and Aldi Mobile's network bands. Check the activation status and contact Aldi Mobile support if necessary. Why Aldi Mobile SIM card not working? This could be due to incomplete activation, device compatibility, or issue with the network settings. Fix 1. Check for 3G shutdown impact. If you are using an older device, it may be incompatible with Aldi's mobile updated 4G or 5G network. Due to the Telstra 3G shutdown, upgrade to a 4G VoLTE capable device if necessary. Go to Aldi Mobile Block Device Check page and enter your mobile first 8 digit of IMEI number. Enter CAPTCHA and click Check My Phone to check compatibility. If your phone is blocked, you have to upgrade your phone to 4G or 5G supported device. Fix 2. Check carrier unlock status. If you are bring your own mobile, your device must be unlocked to work with Aldi Mobile. If your phone is locked to another network, you may need to unlock it before switching. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, About and look for Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. For Android, go to Settings, then Connections, then go to Mobile Networks, Network Operator, then turn off Select automatically. If multiple carrier names appears, your phone is unlocked. Fix 3. Wait for processing. If you are new to Aldi Mobile, give some to process the activation request. Activation typically take 1 hour but can extend to 4 hours or in rare cases up to 7 to 10 days due to carrier delays. Transferring an existing number takes 24 to 48 hours during porting hours Monday to Friday 8 am to 8 pm, on Saturday 10 am to 6 pm. Keep your old SIM active until service stops. You will receive an SMS and email confirming activation before using the Aldi SIM. Restart your device. Turn your phone off and back on to refresh its system and network connections. For iOS devices, turn off by pressing the power button or power plus volume down. For newer models, wait 10 seconds then turn back on. For Android devices, restart or power off using the power or volume button. Wait 10 seconds. If powered off, then turn back on. Ensure correct ID details. Ensure the details provided during activation match your ID exactly to avoid failed verification. If electronic verification fails, Aldi Mobile uses a financial institution account for secondary confirmation, excluding prepaid cards. Fix 6. Retry activation. Your order might be suspended due to failed identity verification. Revisit the Aldi mobile activation page and ensure all information is accurate before resubmitting. Enter activation code from SIMKit. Select your number type under keeping your number, no new number, or yes, keep my number. If you are porting your number, select yes, keep my number. You need to provide required details such as current provider name and mobile number. Follow on screen instructions to activate the SIM. Double check the identity details and payment twice before submitting it. How to fix Aldi Mobile SIM card not working for old users. Fix 7. Contact Aldi Mobile Service. If activation takes longer than expected, you need to contact Aldi Mobile customer support at 1300 989 000 for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.